Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I showed you how to add your website in Google Search Console step by step. If you have not watched it yet, I will leave the link in the description below. Make sure to check it out first. So today I will be guiding you through another important video, how to submit a sitemap in Google Search Console. So let's move to it without wasting a time. I have already added my website to Google Search Console, but I will guide you through the full process so you can follow along. So first you have to log into your Google Search Console. Now select your website from the property list. So as you can see, I have already added my website on Google Search Console. Now you can find the sitemap section. In the left hand menu, click on sitemaps. Here you will see an option to enter your sitemap URL. Now you can move to your website, and after your website URL, you can write /sitemap.xml and search it. So you can see this interface. So basically, a sitemap is a file that helps Google to understand your website structure. It tells search engines which page exists, how they are linked, and when they were last updated. So it is very important to submitting a sitemap because it helps to Google to crawl and index your website faster and make sure that new pages get discovered quickly. It improves your SEO ranking and visibility and fixing indexing issues. So even though Google can find pages on its own, but submitting a sitemap makes the process faster and more efficient. So now you can copy this URL, sitemap URL, and paste it in the sitemap field on Google Search Console and click submit. So after a few minutes, you can see the success message, and Google will show the status of your sitemaps under the submitted sitemap section. So that's it. You have successfully submitted your sitemap in Google Search Console. Now Google will regularly crawl and index your website content, helping your pages rank better in search result. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks. And if you have not added your website in Google Search Console yet, watch my previous video to get started. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.